Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link Shopify with TikTok Shop. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, for that, we will need the TikTok integration that will allow us to connect our TikTok Shop with our Shopify store. For that, I'm going to click on Apps and then we go to App in Sales Channel Settings. By clicking on here, it will take us to the Shopify store by clicking on this black button. Then, after going to the Shopify store, we will need just to search for the TikTok. And from here, you will need to click on TikTok and make sure that it's developed by TikTok Incorporation. And as you can see, it will you can use it directly in Shopify admin, and then you can connect it with the Shopify's the TikTok store. We are going to click on TikTok or install, and we are going to wait for the application to be installed successfully. So from here, I'm going to click on install, and basically we are just going to wait for the install process to end. After that, it will tell us to connect or set up your business TikTok ads, and you will need just to start selling. So basically click on setup. You will need just to connect the TikTok for business. You add your email, your password, and login to your TikTok account. After that, you will start adding the TikTok Business Center account. So you will connect your Shopify store with the Business Center account and then add the settings for Ads Manager. You start sharing the data and then you finish the setup. And by that, you will have your TikTok shop that has been connected to your Shopify store successfully. Thank you for watching and see you next time.